Questions continue to be raised as to how the bodies of two neonates could be found on the compound of Victoria Jubilee Hospital on Friday night. This evening, the senior medical officer at Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Dr. Orville Morgan, is insisting that there are strict protocols as to how these bodies should be handled. TVJ's Anthony Lugg spoke with the SMO today.
Who's responsible? That's the question being asked by many Jamaicans in relation to the dead babies found outside the Victoria Jubilee Hospital on Friday. Preliminary checks have revealed that the cleaning of a freezer at the morgue may be at the center of the problem. But our sources say that's not the only issue. We were informed that there's a major storage problem at the facility. So is this true? We put that question to the senior medical officer at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Dr. Orville Morgan.
There has been periodically over time, and it has occurred in the past. We have done what needs to be done in terms of reducing the pileup. As a matter of fact, the pileup we have reduced it tremendously from what it was earlier. And that process has been continuing and continues to move forward. But there are medical legal issues to be considered when we're removing bodies. So we have to make sure that, first of all, we can ascertain the cause of death of all of these babies before you can just bury them.
That's not all. We were also informed that management was written to on several occasions about the issue of storage.
I'm not too sure that it was written on several occasions. I was made aware. I'm just back from leave, right? But I was aware that there was a pileup before I went on leave. And at that time, to my certain knowledge, we had done all the measures to reduce at least by 3/4 the amount of bodies that were there.
So far, the morgue supervisor has been sent on leave and an investigation has been launched. But on Sunday evening, Chairman of the South Regional Health Authority, SARA, Philip Armstrong, said a decision has been made for a member of the board of SARA to lead the probe.
We have to strengthen the processes that will make sure that this does not recur again.